everyone, I'm LizzysMinis. I wanted to show you my Etsy and how to make miniature books at home. On my Etsy you will find the two listings, one for the miniature book, which you can buy different quantities, and the other for the template, which if you buy together you get 15% off. Now first you want to start with looking for the covers that you want. I chose It Ends With Us by Holly Coover. I use Google, I search for the image, and then save the image to my computer. I have a folder called book covers. I look for the front and back covers, and not every book is easy to find. I will let you know. So once you have access to the template, you can download it. It will take you to Canva where you can upload your images, and you're basically just dragging and dropping it right in those two cover books. You can change the color of the spine in this page of the template. There is another page within the template where you can snap in the spine too if you're able to find that online. Next, after getting all your covers, you want to download a PDF to print at home. Flatten the PDF, that'll get rid of any discrepancies between the spine and the cover. And make sure you save it as one page too, because I've accidentally printed out the entire template. So once you have that downloaded and saved, you want to go to print it color, print it default settings, and that's it. Print it. Wait 4 hours to prevent smudging before you seal. Seal with Mod Podge. It looks great. It looks glossy. It's easy. It dries very quickly. I clean my brush between swipes. Next we have the tacky glue. So I have the hardcover and the soft cover. I wanted to show you both of those with the covers. I just put the glue on, I fit it. I don't pinch them too hard. I just let them sit there and dry, and that's the finish. So thank you for watching.